Right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy to have you this morning. And it's a privilege to have you all across the world where you are listening to me and where you are able to learn what we have this morning as we are discussing business. Today is a Saturday. It's a pure question and answer session. Friday, Saturday is pure question and answer. But before I start, I would love to talk about reduction of gas fees using Binance. So you need to always reduce your gas fees using Binance Exchanger, because as we are trading, usually while we are trading, our Binance and our hobby charges what we call taker fee and marker fee. So since it charges taker fee and marker fee, it is very paramount for you to reduce on the gas fees. It's usually 0.01. So you can reduce this to 0.75. So that is what I want to talk about. And also, I have some leaders who have been asking me some questions. I hope there's a leader from Ghana. I don't know why he's here. Okay, as I wait for that one, I think let me start with Yusuf. If you share his screen, I'll show how you can reduce the gas fee. Yes, leader Yusuf. Yusuf, I see your hand is up already. Let's start with you. I see Yusuf. Yusuf, do you have a question? Or your hand is up by mistake? Maybe I just need to lower his hand because I thought as a question. Hello? Okay. Let me show you. If no one has a question, let me go through my short training today. In progress. Let me do my personal training because Okay, as I share my screen, I want to talk about how to reduce gas fees from your Binance. There are a few things that I usually talk about we need to do. And these few things are, you need to learn how to do the API binding, how to connect your Binance to your Royal Cube, that is important, and how to connect your hobby to your Royal Cube. In 2022, around January, South Africa will be banning Binance in their country. So I will encourage people to start learning, especially those in South Africa, start learning how to use Hobby. I will prove this. I got it from a trusted source. So I'll be proving it, and I'll provide more current news about that starting on Monday. Okay, so one, make sure you are in Binance Pro, not Binance Lite. If your account is Binance Lite, you tap on the graphs that are here, these ones. Then you come on the avatar, get this Binance Pro. I hope someone should have already done the API binding, done the verification of the accounts. And if you don't know, Binance already guides you through that. So the avatar on top, there is this, use BNB to get a discount. So you just tap on it. Then it has what to call use BNB to pay fees. Now, as you are trading using Binance or Hobby, these two applications charge whenever you use them to trade. They charge those who do spot trading, because the Royal Q does spot trading for us, ladies and gentlemen. So since it does spot trading for us, we shall be always charged. Now, if you want to maximize your money in your Binance, you need to have a strategy that can help you reduce on the gas fees. So what are we supposed to do? What you're supposed to do is simple. Switch on use BNB to pay fees. You see, when it is like this, then when you switch it on, you are reducing marker fee and taker fee from 0.1 to 0.75 to 0.075. So it looks like little, but you realize it in profit. So I would encourage everyone to go to their Binance and tap on the avatar on top and reduce on their gas fees. Once you reduce on your gas fees, you will maximize more profit using the Royal Q platform. That is, after you have done the API binding, you have started trading, I will encourage you to do that so that you can reduce on your taker fee and marker fee to have more potential earnings. Okay, so I hope that one can be done. And there is another leader from Ghana. I don't know where he's here. Daniel from Ghana.
Yeah, Julius, I'm here.
Okay, could you share your screen? Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Can you see my screen now?
I see it, sir.
Okay.
Okay, you had some questions. You had some questions.
Okay, this is what I was asking. You see, this three coin, the IPC, the ICP, the WRX, and then BCH. These three coins were added yesterday. But from BTC2, XTZ. That coin was the already coin. So this coin, let me open see. You see the number, the first thing amount to buy is 50. Then the margin call limit is 50. But if you go back to BTC, the first amount to buy is 10. And the call margin is 40. The their first amount to buy is 20. And the margin call limit is 31. But if you look at the strategy said first amount to buy is 20 USDT and the number of strategy is 8. And I don't understand why some of the coin are in 20, some are in 10, some are in 15. Because I think this one is in 15. First amount to buy, good. First amount to buy is 15. The margin call limit is 21. That's what I don't understand. And these three coins are trading, but the order from BTC to XTZ, they are just like this, up, down, but not trading. If they want to trade, they will just buy, and that's all.
What do you mean by not trading?
It's not buying, it's not selling. It will be there like this.
That is normal.
Yeah, I know it's normal, but okay. For that one, let's leave it, because even this one, it was 40 floating loss. This one, the floating loss was minus 10, but I think it has reduced to minus 9. Yeah, but it's okay. So about the number of first in amount to buy, is it because
why is it that the amount of first buy keeps on changing?
That's what I don't understand.
Then you should ask the owner of the strategy, because they have a platform.
Yeah,
but I could give my own reasoning. Usually, whenever the market is having a high run, like the rapid run of the Bitcoin in the market, usually there is a lot disconnection in Binance and Royal Q. There are a lot of fixed bugs that happen that they need to fix all the time. That's why Royal Q put up what they call clear hacking in its back office, where you need to do some clearing all the time to ensure that there is sufficient of the robot to keep on functioning. But also, the owner of the strategy has, once you sync a strategy, the owner of the strategy takes over. He can close current coins and introduce new coins, so he can be able to close for you all the trades, because he's looking for a better way for you to make profit.
Sure.
So when you are not running your personal settings, you follow a trading strategy. He's taking over the trades on your behalf. You understand?
Yeah.
So since he's taking over, he can do anything to ensure that that you make money. Now, there's something you may not be knowing. These guys are under competition. Now let me show you that, because I don't know. I know you may not be understanding this. Now, for example, go to Cypto.
I should go to
Cypto. Let me show you. These guys are under competition. They compete.
Okay. I'm here. I'm here, my leader. Hello. Hello.
Then tap on top.
I should tap on.
On top there is a dynamic. Tap there around dynamic, or tap on the 3 graphs. No, tap on the 3 graphs. The first 2 graphs on top. Your internet is unstable. Oh, why is my internet not stable? Why is my internet not stable? Okay, now you see AI bot is leading the graph, the one you are using. It is,
Yeah.
I told you before you joined this one that
Sure.
the bot you are joining is for aggressive traders.
Yeah.
They can do anything to win. These guys. But because they know that the robot never sells at loss.
Sure.
The AI bot you are using, they can do anything to win. If you go in their Telegram, they even go further to compare other strategies. I hope you have seen that in the Telegram.
Yeah, I've seen that.
They even go ahead and compare other strategies to theirs. How have you seen that in their Telegram?
I've seen all.
They bring JD Winner, Chuchu, they bring everybody and they compare. Those guys are funny. So they are there to win. So they can do anything. So pair with their changes all the time. If you are there, I told you it's for aggressive traders. If you're not willing to be aggressive, come back to JD Winner, come back to Chuchu, come back to Avengers, but on the strategy you are on, I hope you see even their total sum.
Sure.
They are aggressive traders. They can do anything to win. So what I would advise you is to focus on your profit. But the coins, they can close a coin in 20 minutes and introduce a new coin.
Okay.
I hope you have even seen that. They close trades rapidly. They close trades rapidly. You see, if you check down, there are coins that we are trading and you are no longer seeing them trading again because they close. That's why I told you it is for aggressive traders. If you're not an aggressive trader, don't go there. You will, and if you are, you are spending time to analyze what they do in your back office, you run.
Hello.
You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, I was telling you that they are very aggressive traders.
Sure.
They can do anything to win. I hope you even see your profits.
Yeah. You see,
So,
that coin yesterday made that $12. You see, I sent you yesterday, it was 0 point something. And then after that, I do the upgrade, the cash upgrade to 2,000 USDT. And that this particular night, I've made that $12. So they are very aggressive.
You will make more money, but
yeah.
Don't go into their settings. Their settings are crazy. They keep on changing time over time. Your duty is that if you sync their strategy, leave them to manage your trades.
Sure.
But if you go into what is happening with this coin, how many margin calls, one I told you, it's a high capital-based trading strategy.
Okay.
They believe in high capital. They don't believe in low capital trading. So they believe in high capital, 1,000, 2,000. I hope you have seen 50,000 traders on the group. I hope you have seen
Yeah.
180, 200,000, 300,000.
Yeah,
Yeah,
280.
they are aggressive traders. If you're not aggressive trader, don't go there.
Yeah.
They are high capital based traders.
Okay, thank you very much. You were teaching something when I came, and then I thought you were done.
Yeah, I was teaching, share your screen, go to your Binance actually. I was teaching about saving gas fees.
Okay, I'm in my Binance.
Tap on home.
I'm there.
Let me see. Then on top, there is an avatar. There is a human like structure.
Okay.
Why are you going to notifications?
Yeah, so, my mistake.
So tap on VIP 0. Use BNB to get discount. That's what I was teaching. But I think I taught you this, and I told you to leave some BNB into your, switch it on, then have some BNB into your Binance as you are trading. No. Don't switch on margin call. Switch on one. The other first one. So now, then have BNB. It will help you maximize more profit. But you have switched it off. Use BNB to pay fees. Switch it on, then put some BNB into your Binance, and you'll be there.
Okay, like this, and then I put some BNB in my Binance.
Yeah, put some BNB. Instead of the robot charging, when you don't put BNB, you find there are coins that the robot closes, but they remain 0.0000, those dust coins. So you will be having some BNB. So the Binance will use that to pay itself whenever you trade using it on the spot trade.
Okay. Thank you very much, my leader.
So, but if where you are, keep calm. It's aggressive trading. They'll do anything to win.
Okay.
They are on competition. They want to be number one.
Okay.
So bear with them, raise your capital, work with them. They have even changed, they brought new setting strategies. I hope you check them up on that platform. Where the amount of fast buy is now, one coin is $300 now as we speak, and the amount of fast buy is $30.
Okay.
So if you see their strategy,
fast buy $20 and number of coins is 8.
Yeah, check their new trading strategies.
Okay.
Yeah, check their new trading strategies. I believe they have introduced new trading strategies. So check with them and you will win definitely. Okay, I hope I've been able to answer you. I hope I've stopped you from sharing. Okay, if someone has a question, it is question and answer.
I'm sorry.
I think I've finished with you, Daniel. Okay, I see. Is it Adoga Dulf? Is Adogo?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, leader. Please, I want to ask a question. My question is at the side of the floating loss. Assuming your coin is on floating loss, to understand that the coin keeps on reducing. Is it possible that the value becomes 0?
Share your screen. I understand what you are talking. Share your screen so that I can give you an understanding.
How do I do that, please?
Tap on your screen. Are you using a laptop? You're using a phone.
I'm using my phone, please.
Tap on your phone in the middle of Zoom. There is a word share, and you choose screen. Have you seen it?
I should tap on the Zoom link.
Yeah, first wait before you, let me first mute everybody because people are muting themselves. Then you unmute yourself again, right? Now unmute yourself, sir.
Okay.
All right. Okay, now tap in the middle of Zoom. There is,
Okay.
you will see a green button called share. Then you choose screen.
Okay. 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 Yes. Okay.
Right. So go to your question, sir.
Okay. For instance, my ATA has been floating loss for quite a number of days now. And for instance, when I go to my Binance, let me get to my Binance. Okay. Okay. In my Binance, I have a coin SLP. SLP. Last week, the value reduced all the way to $4. So my question is, assuming it keeps on reducing to an extent that the value becomes zero, or it's not possible that it will become so?
The value is determined by the market.
Okay.
But the quantity remains. But usually,
okay.
when this coin bounces back, it usually bounces back in profit. What RoyalQ does, it will never sell this coin.
Okay.
Unless this coin picks up in profit. You get me, sir?
Yes, please.
So that's what it does. So if you want to sell, if you have enough capital, you can always close any floating loss.
Okay.
Unless you want me to teach you that how you can close any floating loss if you have enough capital. You can close any coin that you want to trade. You want it to sell off if you have enough capital.
Okay. Okay. So I was like,
the other challenge is that make sure your amount of first buy is not 10. Because if your amount of first buy is 10, there are coins that will fail to be sold off because Binance changed its instincts. That there are coins you have tried maybe to swap and they tell you they are less in value. So you need to make sure your amount of first buy is 15 so that you don't suffer from those challenges.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
I don't know whether I've answered you.
Yes, please. I'm answered.
Anyone with a question? Anyone other person with a question? Like I usually say, there are 3 basics you need to learn with the RoyalQ. Learn how to do the API binding. Learn how to teach other people to register and download RoyalQ. There's no complicating anything here. So learn how to teach other people to download, register and download RoyalQ. Learn how to do API binding and learn how to choose a strategy. I divide these strategies into three. There are those strategies for aggressive. If you're an aggressive trader, who's an aggressive trader? An aggressive trader is one who's willing to take high risk. So what do you mean, Julius, when you say high risk? These guys that are aggressive traders, they are willing to keep on putting more capital time over time. There is one aggressive trader I know is called AI Bot. One coin is $300, an amount of fast buy is 30. He can do anything with the trading strategies to make sure that you as the trader, you win. It is an aggressive trader. We have another trader I know that is very good in trading during when the market is taking a downward movement. You know, 90% or 80% of our trades always remain in floating loss or always remain in red. So what you do, if you can do choo-choo strategy, it will help you through that. It trades sideways and in a deep market. If you want to have knowledge about trading, you want to understand deeply about RoyalQ, there is one trader I know that I follow. It's called JD Winner. He's very good at explaining the details about RoyalQ and the details about trading. He has a lot of knowledge about that. So he's a popular trader. You check him up, he can usually guide you about trading. Every Tuesday, he does trainings about his strategy, but about also trading too. So you can check him up, he provides basic knowledge. If you have little capital, that is $200 and below, I have one strategy I know that will give you profit even with your $50. What is the strategy? It's called Avengers. While you are using it, just make sure you are taking off 20% of your capital and 80% of your capital remains in USDT. So how do you better do that? If you are trading with $100, okay, and you synchronize Avengers, what you do, amount of fast buy is 10. So amount of fast buy is 15. Then leave the balance in USDT. Yesterday, I want you to analyze this video. Let me play it. Then I give you my personal feedback. Just a minute before I do that. Okay. If you listened to this video very well, this gentleman spent 22 days without making profit. Now, what I want to explain is the idea of patience. Because one of the challenges we face on all our platforms are people complaining about their profits on a daily basis. I've seen this consistently when so many people come on the platform and they complain about their earnings on a daily basis. Now, if you listen to that video, this gentleman invested $100 and he picked one coin. Now, the market kept on going down. He never complained for 22 days, not making profit. Now, from the 19th, he made 0.38 cents. Then he spent all those days without making anything. But what was happening is that the robot used the martingale principle it uses for trading, buying more whenever the market goes down, buying more whenever the market goes down. Could you imagine? After 22 days, that coin was able to bounce back. That's why I say, if you see your coin in too much floating loss, be happy. Why? Because the robot is buying and buying and buying. When this coin bounces back, your capital returns plus the profit. Now look, yesterday, his coin was sold off. His coin was sold off. And when the coin was sold off by the robot, the whole amount came back with a profit of $62. Now, my question is to you, ladies and gentlemen, why do you remain impatient? People usually check their profits every day, and they are tough on groups. They are tough on platforms. Sometimes, me personally, I answer, but when someone becomes so furious, I leave. Why? Because I understand that this person has not taken time to understand the business. So if you are trading, one of the characteristics you need is patience. You bought a robot, and the robot is taking over your moods. These issues of people complaining every day, I didn't make profit today. I didn't make profit today. My robot didn't trade today. My robot didn't trade tomorrow. It has only bought one coin. It's no longer buying. It's no longer selling. Hey, please. You are not doing a return on investment. You are not doing a return on investment. If you are tired of the robot to trade for you, because what we call trading is buying and selling. If your robot is not selling, but it's buying, it is trading. Now, if you don't want it to buy, then what will it sell? Someone is busy saying, hey, Julius, the Bitcoin is up, but my robot is not selling. But definitely, there are other coins in your royalty and in your Binance that the robot is buying. So the secret is simple. Have more USDT. If you have more USDT and you are tired of these coins that the robot is buying without selling, cancel the strategy. Put those coins in one shot. Cancel the margin call. Sync a new strategy with new coins. But if you don't have enough balance in your USDT, then be patient. Those coins will be sold off at the right time. But I want to give you a sure deal. They will come back with huge profit. Any coin you have that is in floating loss, and the robot is continuing to buy, once that coin bounces back, you will sit in huge profit like that gentleman. Just one coin in a period of 22 days has made for him $62. His capital of 100 is back in his Binance, plus a profit of $62. These issues, people are saying, hey, royalty is not working, royalty is not working. You are joking. You have not taken time to understand what you are part of. If your capital is $50, because usually people who complain are people who have invested $300, $500 and below. They want huge profits every day, which is impossible. The other time I saw a lady who invested, this lady invested $200 and she was tough on the platform. Hey, I'm not making profit. See the rate I'm making. And I tried to explain, but when she became so furious, I had to give her time. If you want to see profit, if your coin is in floating loss, keep calm. In cryptocurrency, I want to repeat this for everybody. In cryptocurrency, wealth shifts from the impatient and it goes to the patient people. I want to prove this to one of my friends who purchased Shiba Inu 1 month ago. And he came to me here in my office and was tough. Hey, you told me to buy Shiba Inu. I'm now pissed off. You know, these things of crypto. Hey, I said, okay, sell off your Shiba Inu because there is nothing me I lose. He sold the Shiba Inu. Now, yesterday, people were sharing testimony. Then he told me, had I known. That's what people keep on crying. You need to be patient with crypto. This is not a get rich quick scheme platform. If you are looking for get rich quick scheme, please go back to returns on investment. But if you are looking for a long-term business opportunity that will drastically keep you giving you profit, calculate your profits at the end of the month. The minimum you can make is 10% of your capital. The mid-maximum you can make is 50% of your capital. But you can make 100%. You can make 200%, 300%, 500%, depending on the market. So if you are putting $100 and you make $10 at the end of the month, it is worth your capital. If you are putting $1,000 and at the end of the month you have $100 in profit, it's worth your capital. So you can make between 10% to 50% of your capital. If you want to make more capital, if you want to make more profit, increase your capital. But even when you increase your capital, don't expect too much. It still remains 10% to 50% of your capital. Before I close this meeting, allow me to talk about the compounding effect of Royal Q. Royal Q has the ability to compound on your money. I was speaking to a certain team yesterday, and I was explaining to them, if I put $1,000 in my Binance, I forget it for a full year. Why? Because I want the robot to compound on my money. But if you don't have a long-term mindset in trading, then things may always look the other side for you. Trading is long-term. It is not short-term. If you want to make good money, think about 12 months. Think about 1 year while the robot is trading for you. But someone puts in $10, $100 and needs the $10 on a daily basis to withdraw it. Yes, it's true you'll make this little profit. But if you want to make significant income, think long term. Compound on your money. Allow the robot to use your money to trade at a minimum of 12 months. Then you will have significant profit. I'm not saying you can't withdraw because it's your money. I'm not taking charge of your money. You can always take personal decisions dependently to you. But I want to encourage you. If you are here and you want to make $1 million in trading, you are here, you understand what is happening in crypto. Let me just give some news, because the reasons why people take certain decisions because they don't take time to look at what is happening in crypto. Let me use Chrome, okay? And let me check with Cointelegraph. Let us look at the latest news into crypto, because it's very important for you to take decisions depending on the future. Let me check the hot stories. Now, Sri Lanka appoints a committee to implement crypto mining and blockchain. Now, why is news important? If you develop a long-term mindset, you will understand that, for example, if you allow the robot to trade for you for a long-term mindset, as these more people are getting involved in crypto, it means more capital is invested in crypto, which means more profit you will make. I was looking at I was trying to look at the new news that was created by an organization from America. Was that one that governs the crypto in that side, or finances in that side. I was looking for that. So I may not exceed, maybe I may not be able to go so much into these guys. Okay, let me use this other phone. I hope it's on. And I show you another news. I'm going now to use, let me join with another phone. Then I show you this side of YouTube. I have a friend who is a staunch crypto analyst. So I don't know, we shall have some feedback. So if you have a long-term mindset, when more people are getting into crypto, it means more money is invested in crypto. And that's how you'll make more profit. So you need it to be slow. Okay, let me reduce the noise. Then I share another site of news that is called a Telegram. You can always go there. Okay, let me share. Okay. The ETF will also look at indicators such as stock to flow mode, which evaluates the current stock of Bitcoin against the flow of the new Bitcoin mined buyer. This is Plan B. If you follow Plan B on Twitter, you know, this was news yesterday. The SEC just approved the closest thing to a US Bitcoin ETF you can buy for now. It closed some markets and it opened new markets. The US SEC has approved EFT that tracks stock with significant exposure to Bitcoin. This firm hold a majority of their new assets in Bitcoin or derive a majority of their profit or revenue from Bitcoin-related activities. So this should, okay, now let me go back. This news is important. I will not go into this. But this is just telling you that if you are in crypto right now, you have high chances. I'll not go into this. This is 3 days. Okay. This guy I follow, he says that he has over 1 million followers. He talks about the Bitcoin hitting 63,000 US dollars before this year closes. So if you are investing in crypto, understand that you are here long term. Lose the short-term mindset, because why? The future is bright. Get prepared to becoming multi-billionaires. Talk to people, build your portfolio capital. I usually tell my friends that usually go with 20%. Get 20% of whatever you earn from your royalty sharing of business. Build the portfolio of your capital in Binance. Why? Because you are on the right track. If that mindset gets in as many people as possible, then all of us, the future is bright. I don't want to exceed there. If no questions, I would love to come to the end of this session. I want to thank you. We are having a mega Zoom tomorrow, and we shall be having it at the exact time. Like the other Sunday, it will be 4 p.m. It will be 5 p.m. South Africa Standard Time. It will be 6 p.m. East Africa Standard Time. We shall be having leaders across the world who will be sharing this amazing opportunity. Let us share the link aggressively across the world, and let us have this move to the next level into cryptocurrency. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a pleasing pleasure as well as a privilege to host you this morning. Thank you so much. Let us meet again on Monday. On Monday, I usually go in for the basics, API binding, how to sync strategy, and how to register and download RoyalQ. Thank you so much. For God and my country, happy independence to all Ugandans across the world. We are celebrating one of our days since our country had independence. My question to you is, have you taken a decision to become financially free? Or you are waiting for politicians to do something for you? I will tell you, my fellow Ugandans, they will never do anything to make you financially free. Take personal decision about your finances. We are into a decentralized platform where we can earn according to our decisions and according to our choices. Never allow governments to take charge of your finances. They will promise so much, but they will never deliver. It should be a personal choice to understand your financial situation and take personal decisions about it. So as Ugandans on the platform, I want to encourage you that no one will do anything for you in this life. Politicians, yes, they will. If they provide security for you, run yourself and take personal financial decisions. Stop blaming governments for your personal financial situation. Stop blaming anyone. They will never take charge of your finances. No government will take charge of finances, no matter how the economy will run poor. It should be your personal decisions that you take that take you to another level of financial decree. Because we are into crypto, which is decentralized. Take decisions, go outside there, share the business with everybody you can, provide the opportunity to them, and let you behold of your finances. No government should take charge. Don't allow them to brainwash you that they are the one responsible for your finances. Hold more crypto. The future is ours. We are into a decentralized system where we are the ones in charge of our finances. Stop blaming anyone for your finances. Yes, Ugandans are celebrating their independence. I haven't listened to any news. I'm busy here doing my business. Why? Because I understand it's my personal decisions that take me to my personal destiny. Take your personal decisions, Ugandans across the world and people across the world. As governments are celebrating independence, ask yourself, are you personally financially free, or are you taking a road to financial freedom? If that is your mindset, then we are good to go to change the world to a better understanding that the presence of government is doing nothing other than causing inflation because they print money anytime they want. If you have crypto, we are on the road to financial freedom together. With that, ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. It has been a pleasing pleasure as well as a privilege to have you. We meet again at 2 p.m. South Africa Standard Time. I'll be here presenting the opportunity for only 30 minutes for you. Someone is telling me, Julius, go and celebrate independence. No, it's my fight to become personally independent financially. God bless you. And with that, have a nice day.